Okay, students, today I'm going to discuss here what is a query and how to create a query. You see, a query is like a simple question that we ask to find specific information from the database. That means what? That is, a query is like a simple question that we are requesting the database to display the details, to display some specific details, that is some specific information from the database. You see, it's a facility provided by the database management system to retrieve specific data or data from the database. So I will show you what is that and how to create the query in the Libreoffice base. So I have opened here the same database, whatever database I have created here, school info. So in this one you can see two tables. In this left pane you can see table, queries, forms, reports. So here we are going to create queries. So before that I will show you what are the tables we have created here. You see, student table we have created here. Double click on that one. Now you can see the whole details here. 17 student details are there. Here they are from 8th standard, 7, you see, class 6 also there, then 7th, 8th, 9 students have been ended here. So I am just close this one. So this much details are there. So what is the meaning of query means, if you want to display some student details, some specific students details or the whole details, no problem. If you want to display the student from 8th standard itself, so what to do? For that purpose we are using query. As like if you want to display some students having total marks greater than 400, that is 80% of mark. So what to do for that purpose? For that purpose we are using the facility query. I will show you that one. You see here what to do. Just click on these queries, where the first thing you see, create query in design view. 3 methods are there here. Either one method you can use. Here I am using, as per our textbook, create query in design view. Just click on that one. Now you see one small window can be seen here, from where you can select our own table. Okay, so I am just selecting student table, or if you want teacher table, where you can select. I am just selecting student table, then click on add button, then close this one. Okay, just put the close. Then you see the student table here, its columns can be seen. If you want to display the whole column, so for that purpose just click on the, double click the admission number. Now you see admission number here. That is the thing is that field name, that is column name is admission number, its table name is student. So visible means it should be displayed when we are accessing. Then name, class, division I am double clicking, you see. Then total mark is also double clicking that one. Now you see admission number, name, class, division, total mark, this all content can be seen here. These all things checked, visible. That means when we are opening the query, after creating that query, whenever we open that query, that time it will display the whole details like admission number, name, class, division, total mark of all students. So now you see here we have many students from 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard and 9th standard. But if you want to display only the students from 8th standard itself, so what to do? For that purpose we can use the criterion. Here you see one thing here, criterion. So in the class column, just click on the criterion class column. You see this class column where I am just giving 8. That means 8th standard students only be displayed. Okay. Then one more thing is that if we need to display the whole student details in the name sorted order, okay, name sorted, that is alphabetical order of the name, it should be displayed. So what to do? In the sort, you see here sort, so name, just click here, then select here ascending. That means it will display the ascending order of the name, alphabetical order of the name. Only the class 8 students will be displayed here. Okay, so I am just show you 8th standard. Okay, then another thing is that if you want to display only 8th A students itself, 8th A and B is there. If you want to display only 8th A students itself, so in the division column you can just put here and give A. Okay, the quotation, within the quotation mark, single quotation mark, you just give A. So it means what? So this query is asking or requesting the database to display all student details having the class 8th A, and it should be displayed it should be displayed in the name, alphabetical order of the name. Okay, that's all. So this is my query. So I am just saving this by clicking on the save button, where I am just giving here 8th A students. Okay, 8th A, I am just giving here 8th A students, 8th A students. Just click OK, then close this one. Now you see one query has been created here. Now I am double clicking on that query. What happened? You see only 8th A students have been displayed here. They and in the alphabetical order of their name, not admission number. You see Ajzal, Alex, then Hasan, then Rahul, then Sajid. So alphabetical order of the name it is displayed. Okay, as like we can create our own queries. Here we have created one query. Now if you want another query like 9th standard students, if you want to display, for that purpose you can just click on this create query in design view, select this table student, then if you want all details, okay, if you want all details, then select the whole details. Okay, select the whole details, total mark also. Then if you want to display only the 9th standard students, just click on this criterion 9th A. If you want 9th A, then A can be used here, otherwise 9th standard students, 9th. Okay, then if you want to okay 9th A, if you want 9th A, there you can use 9th A. Then sorted order of the name, you can just click here, then ascending, then close, save this one. If you want to give the name 9th A students, you can write here 9th A students. Okay, 9th A students, then click OK. Now close this one, then double click on this one. You see 9th A query. Now only 9th A students have been displayed here. Okay, I think all of you understood what is that. And one more thing is that another query. If you want to display another query, creating query student, add the table clause. Then you see if you need all details, I'm just opening on the whole details. Okay, if you don't want, you can use whatever things you need. I'm opening all details. Then if I want to display the students from 8th standard, so a criterion I am giving 8th. I need 8th A students. Okay, 8th A students, 8th A students. Then having total mark greater than 400. If we need 400 mark, that means greater than or equal to 400. That means out of 500 I have given here. So 400 mark means students having greater than or equal to 80% of mark. 80% of mark. So greater than or equal to 400 I have given here. So it will display the student in the name sorted order. You see name ascending. Now the meaning of this one, this query mean it will display the whole details, admission number, all column it will display, but only the students from 8th A having the mark greater than or equal to, that is having the mark 8 greater than or equal to 400 mark in the order of name sort. Okay, in the order of in the alphabetical order of their names. Okay, it will display. So I'm just saving this one. I'm just giving 80 above 8th. Okay, 8th A. Okay, 80 above 8th A I have given here. Okay, that is my query name. Close this one. You see 80 above 8th A means 80 above marks obtained students from 8th A. Double click on that one. You see only Ajisal and Rahul got for this much mark, 400 and 500. That is the query. So here you see, if we want to display the specific details from the database, okay, specific details from the database, that time we can use what? A query. Okay, that is the use of the query. Okay, so that's all about this topic. So thank you.